Hi, today I'm Friday for Realme C55 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first we should open the Muviz application. So let's find it. Oh. So open the Muviz and here select one from these available applications. Just tap to apply, click the backgrounds. If you want to change the background, just select one from these available ones. Click to apply. If you want to hide music controls after 10 seconds, such as to don't hide them, slide this dot. To activate notifications or to turn them off, as the same as to show that they turn it off, you should use the switcher. Here we could change the shown status, always while device charging, never, of the always on display option. Let's go back, switch AD to the settings, tap here to always on display and switch here shown on lock screen always while charging on music. We could use it separately to change brightness level from 30 to 100%, to decrease and to increase it, to change timeout from 5 seconds to an hour, to change screen orientation, to close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen on fingerprint, on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, to use it in pocket mode, and to disable it during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize always on display option on our Realme device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.